All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is a 2019 Toyota. This is like a F8FCHUBA or something model number. Toyota, got it off an auction site. Lead acid batteries are bad, so it's 5 years old. It's got about 4,000 hours on it. Done a couple videos on these as well, but I put a 150 amp hour, 48 volt battery in, so it's a pretty big battery. We are redoing the pan and this area down here. This is what the lead acid does. It leaks and rusts everything, so it's nasty. We just want it out of here. We do not lift, and I will emphasize this a million times, we do not lift anything near capacity for this forklift, and we do not lift it high in the air ever. So the counterweight that we lost from the lead acid is irrelevant to what we're doing. We lift up the end of the container 6 inches and take it out the door, which is like 1/3 the capacity of this forklift. So if you need the counterweight in the forklift, absolutely add a steel bar back here, tank of water, whatever you want to do. It does not matter for what we do. If I was lifting 5,000 pounds at 14 feet, this is a triple stage mass Toyota, I would absolutely add the counterweight back. But we do not need it. But my point of this video is that these Toyota's electric forklifts are an absolute bargain. This thing drives like you wouldn't believe. It's absolutely silent. You have zero maintenance, zero fuel. You put the lithium in, you're generally done for like the life of the forklift. I have a little black Toyota, that one back there. It has like 25,000 hours and still runs perfectly. So these come through auction. Like I said, bad batteries, the owners just give up on them. And here's the little LCD screen that comes with these Vatra batteries. And these are kind of like my favorite brand because I had a problem with one and they immediately overnighted me a replacement battery. And we want to run a 4/0 gauge wires. So when you get one of these electric forklifts, you're generally going to be missing this Anderson connector here. So you're going to need to get some 4/0 gauge wire. This forklift pulls about 250 amps lifting and driving at 48 volts. And Toyota switched to 48 volts somewhere around 2013, 14, right in there, because this one's a 2010 and it's 36 volts. But the good thing is you can get 36 or 48 volt lithium batteries. This is about 4 hours runtime if we're going crazy with it. For us, it's about 2 to 3 days runtime on this forklift if we're using it quite a bit. So you could always add another battery, stack them up, whatever you want to do, or add the counterweight back here. The only other thing I did was get a cup holder for it and a new seat belt, but this thing runs absolutely beautifully, so highly recommend these again. And we don't have any leaking hydraulic lines or lift cylinders or anything. And I had a set of 48-inch forks laying around, and this one's even got auxiliary hydraulics, so triple stage mast, oxide hydraulics. This lever here, side shift, which is super cool, tilt, and lift. So if you guys got questions on these, let me know.